Aigito na eshisha kaluka senior 4 keda senior 6 kesi adown Aikopakin nejasi Apolok Osomeroi kano akapana kinedwe Aiboikin Aigito ngin nesda eponio Aichop kana uniet erasi atomona uni keda asubjecta na amusugun asuban no Aikopakin Aigito ngin neda jasi Apolok Osomeroi nesi ajaikina teso college aloet ingareni kinte egrigranlo Aigito kangin Horace biat ochaet.
I want to observe that TESSMEA is now a full reality under the difficult conditions caused by COVID. We have been able to register 126 secondary schools with about 11,500 candidates. This is the highest that we have achieved ever since TESSMEA started. I would like to congratulate the entire region for this big achievement. Meanwhile, at A level, we have almost registered the usual number. I think this is the maximum number we have in the TESO of 35 secondary schools offering A level and receiving about 1,500 candidates.
Apolone Cholong, Ashu, Teso Region, Wilfred Oluka Okeriau, Nyesi Lipit, Apolok Osomeroi, Alemari, Kotomakronu, Akoko Aigito.
Ali pakam meja seka papa lu Russian teachers. Ebe kesulu sodit anyi nebe mamu Aigito ne losa Akoko. Na recha makisi kesa Aigito Akoko. Mamu de kuna etodo ni aichana be de be so matitu jokare so matero no Osomeroi. Nara kwane emeni boreng na kire dua itubo joko moksi do deri ngese buna Aigito na washa chapa kne tino ra koko ibiro se duwe oyina kina chapa ke semore ekrole rono
Atakit ocha tebe Aigito ngin nesda epote idwe aswam kotuptete akronuka no itolomnene eriongetelo ashoman keda boliasho.
Let us protect this examination. Let us keep these examination questions in confidence. Let the science teachers never escalate the information given to them in advance. And let us keep our examinations away from malpractice. And the most important of all this is that no school should tamper with the photocopying our question papers and therefore accessing these question papers to ungazetted candidates. This will be very wrong. Candidates who have not paid for TESSMEA should not be seen sitting this examination.
Iche kotoma Polok Osomeroi kesda potu inarata kwanata.
Encouraging schools to take this exam very seriously, as it is a mock exam that is similar to what the candidates are like.
Gabriel Esiku, Kanuka TV East.